Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this phone. To get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to bring down your toggles, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of them, and just find the power saving toggle. Now for me, just let me bring up the brightness a little bit. For me, this toggle is right over here. Once you see it, you can just simply press on it. This will enable it, and it gives you almost no information on what's going to be changed, so you can actually hold it, and this gives you a more comprehensive explanation on the changes that will take effect. So we have things like turn off always on display, limit CPU speed to 70%, decrease brightness by 10%, turn off 5G, and also we have just writing here, so background network usage syncing and location checking will be limited, motion smoothness will be changed to standard, which is 60, and super HDR won't be available in gallery. So these are all the changes that you will have happen to you when enabling your power saving mode. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can just simply turn it off by finding the toggle and tapping on it once more. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.